have a Whirlpool washer machine that will fill up with water. It'll agitate, but it won't drain and it won't spin. And the problem is this lid switch. The switch actually works fine. Contacts are good, spring action's good, everything's good in there. The problem is these little plastic caps that go on top here that hold the two screws here have cracked off. So we could order a new switch, which is probably what we should do. But for the time being, I'm just going to Krazy Glue those caps back on and then put this back in place. There's not a whole lot of pressure on here, and I think that we can get that to seal. I've wiped everything off with alcohol, and the next step is to put these on and let them set up. And these two are put on there and gooped up real well. This is the Maximum Bond Gel Krazy Glue, and they say give this about 30 seconds. It seems pretty strong now. It's been about that, maybe a minute. Let this get a little bit stronger, and then we'll put this back in. And that's all put back in nice and neatly. The screws seem to be biting really well. I was afraid that might crack a little bit, but it's holding really, really snug. And then this switch has a nice response. So the next test will be, let's plug this in and see what we have. Okay. Alright, let's plug this in and see if we've got some lid switch action. That's plugged back in. Let's move this over to spin. Pull this up, and when we open it up it stops. And let's put this in and see what we have. I think we're good. Easy fix, a little bit of Krazy Glue, a few minutes, and save calling a tech or ordering a special part. Thanks for watching.